Hello dears, I am Janisha from Arkin Kyanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. Welcome back to Science class for Grade 9. Chapter 9, Force and Laws of Motion. The topic is Balanced and Unbalanced Force. For many centuries, the problems of motion and its cause has puzzled scientists and philosophers. A ball on the ground, when given a small hit, does not move forever. Such observations suggest that rest is the natural state of an object. This remained the belief until Galileo Galilei and Isaac Newton developed an entirely different approach to understand motion. He is a scientist, Galileo Galilei. He was born on 1564 and he was died on 1642. He is the father of modern science. He is a father of modern science. And he is Isaac Newton. He was born on 1643 and he was died on 1727. He is a most famous for his 3 laws of gravity. Was one of the great minds of the 17th century scientific revolution. He also developed theories on white light, white particles and calculus. In our everyday life, we observe that some effort is required to put a stationary object into motion or to stop a moving object. We ordinarily experience this is a muscular effort and say that we must push or hit or pull on an object to change its state of motion. The concept of force is based on this push, hit or pull. You are also familiar with the fact that force can be used to change the magnitude of velocity of an object, that is to make the object move faster or slower or to change its direction of motion. We also know that a force can change the shape and size of object. Now let me learn about balanced force. Balanced force and unbalanced force. Now first we see the balanced force. Look at the picture. A wooden box on a table. 2 strings X and Y are tied to the 2 opposite faces of the block. And if we apply a force by pulling the string X, the box begins to move to the right. And if we pull the string Y, the block moves to the left. But if the block is pulled from both the sides with equal forces, the block will not move. Such forces are called balanced force. So what is balanced force? When 2 forces acting on an object are equal in size but act in opposite direction. This is called balanced force. When 2 forces acting on an object are equal in size but act in opposite direction. This is called balanced force and do not change the state of rest or of motion of an object. Did you understand? Yes. Next, what is the examples of balanced force? Look at the picture. They are giving equal forces. They are giving equal forces. So, this is the one best example of balanced force and unbalanced force. Now, let us consider a situation in which 2 opposite forces of different magnitude pull the block. In this case, the block would begin to move the direction of greater force. Thus, the 2 forces are not balanced and the unbalanced force act in the direction the block moves. So, when 2 forces acting on an object are not equal in size is called unbalanced force. When 2 forces acting on an object are not equal in size, this is called unbalanced force. And look at the picture. They are giving unequal force. They are giving unequal force. So, these are the examples of unbalanced force. So a game of tug of war. A game of tug of war is best example of unbalanced force. Did you understand? Yes. I hope you are all understand to this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.